Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tactical 22 YouTube channel. My name is Josh Herr, and we are kicking off a brand new series here at the channel, where every week we're going to showcase one of our parts, go through it, let you understand it, and we're going to put it on sale. So that way you can take advantage of a really good price. So we're going to go through it today, and there is no better part to start this channel and start this showcase off than one of our favorites, and that is right here. This is the Tactical 22 barrel nut wrench, and it fits on the SMW MMP 1522. So what this does is you can actually use this to slide it down and tighten that barrel nut wrench to where if your barrel's just a little off and you're getting some of those flyers, this will tighten that down, help you out with that. Also, if you want to remove that factory barrel, give it a good cleaning, this is a tool designed exactly to do that. It's got some great grooves right here, and as the grooves slide into that and lock in, you've got an easy place to just grab and twist and it'll unlock. This tool was designed perfectly, and I'll tell you what, it works perfectly. So if you are looking to tighten it or give your MMP 1522 a good cleaning, or if you want to add a free float or a two-piece handguard, we have a kit that this comes with to where you can go in and actually put in a converter and then put on a free floating handguard or a two-piece handguard. So check out our website, tactical22.com. Make sure that you give this a look-see, and if this is for you, you are going to be nothing but happy. So hopefully everybody's having a great week. We look forward to a big sale. And if you have any questions, just message us down below. We will gladly help you out. Everybody enjoy the week. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us again. Talk to you soon.